Today in this video we will learn about how to install Drupal manually. If you want to install Drupal manually into your website, then in that case, first of all we need to follow certain procedures. Go to your web browser and then enter the given address. This URL will make you reach towards Drupal official website. Now here at the bottom left corner, you will find several versions of Drupal. Download any version and then simply click over download zip so that you will be able to download a zip file. Save this Drupal zip file into your local PC. Now again log into cPanel and then go to File Manager section. Now here inside public_HTML, create a new folder if you want to install it inside a folder. However, we strongly recommend you not to create any folder if you want to install it directly as a main domain. Now here upload that zip file which you downloaded earlier. Now extract the content from this zip file by simply clicking over extract after right click. You will find a new folder is created after extraction. You simply need to move all the contents inside this folder into your main public_HTML. Here, for an example, we are installing everything inside testdrupal folder. Now we need to create a database. So for that, go to MySQL database inside cPanel. Now here enter your database name and then create it. You can create a database with any name. In the same way, create database user, give any password and then click over create user. Make sure you remember all these credentials. Now you need to add that user to database. Further, assign all privileges to this user. Now go to the Drupal installation folder from outside via web browser. Here in our case we are taking everything as an example. Now from here, choose your language and then go ahead with save and continue. Choose your profile, for example standard, and then click over save and continue. Now from here, you will be able to see that all your requirements are getting displayed over a single page. This will inform you that everything related to environment and PHP version is fine or not. Now further, set up your database. Here you need to enter all these credentials which you created earlier. Now in this way you will find that the Drupal installation procedure is in progress. Now once the installation is completed, you can configure your website by entering your website name, website email address, username of your login, password, confirm password, email address again, select your default country, default time zone, and then click over save and continue. In this way you will reach your Drupal dashboard. Now in this way your Drupal is installed successfully.